Marketing Masterclass, now 33% off. Link in the description. www.marketingmaster/class.com.
Today, we're going to look at the OLO IPO, not the YOLO IPO. That is happening on March 17, 2021. OLO is the leading cloud-based on-demand commerce platform for multi-location restaurants. Some of their customers include Five Guys, Wingstop, Shake Shack, Applebee's, Chili's, The Cheesecake Factory, Denny's, Cracker Barrel, Jimmy John's, Dairy Queen, Checkers, and more. I'm getting hungry just reading this list, guys. Also, stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm gonna go over the company's financial data. So if you want to learn more about the company and the company products, or if you need help deciding if you should buy or pass, stay tuned. What's going on, investors? My name is Jose. Welcome back to Rico Suave IPOs, the best place to learn about new companies going public and how to invest in them. Today, we're looking at the upcoming OLO IPO. I gotta tell you guys, I'm very excited about this one. OLO stands for Online Ordering. Founded in 2005, OLO revolutionized the order by phone industry when they started sending text messages orders to printers from phones before the iPhone changed the world. The company now provides online ordering, delivery, integration, and other software-based services to more than 64,000 restaurants across 400 brands. According to Restaurant Business Online, OLO is planning to raise $360 million during this IPO. They are offering 18 million shares at a price of $16 to $18 per share. This gives the company a valuation of $2.45 billion. My man Donovan Jones thinks this valuation is way overpriced at 25 times the enterprise value to revenue ratio. We are going to look at the S1 and make up our own minds. Here's a short 2-minute video from the OLO YouTube channel that explains how restaurants are using OLO to power the entire online ordering process. But before that, a quick shout out to my patrons. Your generosity and contributions allow me to do what I love to do and keep the channel growing, so thank you. If you want to become a patron, there's a link in the description.
OLO helps brands interface to the on-demand world. Our ordering platform handles millions of customers per week, ensuring orders are fresh and on time. Restaurant brands use OLO to power the entire order process, from customer interfaces all the way to the restaurant receiving an order at just the right time. Our ordering platform streamlines digital ordering by consolidating orders originating outside physical locations, from mobile, web, and apps to whatever comes next. And we'll be there to guide you every step of the way. We offer a host of tools to help build and launch your digital program. Sync your menu, manage permissions, and integrate with your POS system. Design a front end with our customizable white label template to align with your brand's look and feel. Or use our API to build your own custom sites, apps, and other consumer destinations. Once everything is live, your brand can track order information and sales, make changes, and run reports, all through the OLO dashboard. Our ordering platform combines the robust infrastructure and flexibility needed for some of the highest volume restaurants. That's why we're trusted by many of the biggest and most forward-thinking brands. And with OLO's world-class system uptime, you'll have the peace of mind knowing orders will always reach the restaurants. Learn more about OLO's ordering platform and get in touch at olo.com.
As you can see, OLO makes it easy for restaurants to sync their menu, manage permissions, and integrate their point of sale systems all in one place to help expedite processing. You can use OLO to build your own personalized website or mobile app to reach your customers. You can track order information and sales, make changes, and run reports all through the OLO dashboard. Just an amazing piece of software, guys. You can check out their website and click on the menu to learn more about the digital ordering solutions. If you scroll down, you'll see that you can power any platform: mobile, web, social and messaging, in-car, voice, personal assistants, kiosks, and staff use. You can also create native apps, as I mentioned before. Under delivery solutions, you'll see preferred providers, max transit time, delivery fee limits, pricing strategies, free subsidy options, and negotiate your own terms. This is funny right here. No more tablet hell. Remember all the restaurants that used tablets back in the day? They used to mess up orders and bills all the time. Well, not anymore, thanks to OLO. Now let's look at the S1 to learn more about the company financial data. This S1 was filed on March 8, 2021. The company is showing a total revenue of $98.4 million in 2020 and net income of $3 million. That is a positive net income when compared to the last year. They have cash and cash equivalents of $75.7 million. Their total assets are $134 million and total liabilities are $75 million. More assets than liabilities, you know I like to see that. Now they also have $19.4 million in free cash flow. So should you invest in the OLO IPO? Well, I like that this company has more assets than liabilities. I like that they were one of the pioneers of online ordering and have been doing it since 2005. I also like the way the platform looks, and I'm super excited about all the big time restaurants that use this platform every single day and trust it to take, receive, and deliver their customers' orders online. Because of this, guys, I'm gonna have to give this one a big thumbs up, and you know that I will be looking to get me a few shares on IPO day. But of course, guys, that's just my opinion, and I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial or investment advice, so make sure you do your own research and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, guys, if you like this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, but more important than that, guys, make sure you take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, Rico solves the mind. I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever know, ya. I take your girl, your house, your money, and leave you broke, son.